All right, guys, it's day 1 of checking our animals. Five chickens, 4 ducks, 1 horse. Hey, my little chickens. And there's our ducks. That was their little pull thing for right now, and then all of a sudden it just fell over. If you come over here, we got Big Red over here. Hey, Big Red, come here. Come here. Come here. God dang, come here. Thank you. Yeah, that kick right over there. Ow, don't bite my freaking hand. All right. So, guys, that is it for the day, and we'll catch you back on part 2.